Hiya, James Braithwaite here. I've been busy here in Timperley, and this is what I've been busy with. I am making a 3-tier shelving unit out of pallet planks and some old window frame wood that I found dumped outside a unit. Anyway, these are going to be joined together at my place. Might look a bit wonky at the minute, but they should hold together perfectly once they're all done. I'm gonna get some casters for them as well, so I can wheel the thing in and out when I need to. I know that looks a bit of a chocolate fireguard for a shelf, that pallet that's going to go on the top. But I'm gonna get some more pallets or bits of wood and just break them up and make planks to fill said holes. Shouldn't be too tricky. Anyway, that's what I've been up to this afternoon. I shall see you in the next one. Bye.